got an Ipsy kind of a day going on today. So let's get this thing opened up. It's always to me from me. That's the best, you know? Let me open this. What's inside?
Gotta get to the video first.
Happy Valentine's Day to all of my cute, cozy cats out there. I just made that a thing. Cozy cats.
Now that I think about it, that sounded kind of cute.
You know why I say cozy cats? Because it's 3 in the morning. 3 in the morning. Yeah, when we should all be nice and cozy in bed and sleeping and getting that well-restedness that we need oh so much. Not this guy. Why do I film at 3 in the morning, you may be asking? You might wonder. So do I. I wonder the same thing. But it's okay, we're here. We do what we gotta do. It's Valentine's Day. It's an Ipsy kind of day or an Ipsy kind of morning. Whatever it is, I'm bringing it to you and we're gonna rock it out. All right, let's get started.
It's coming at you.
Here we go. So we're gonna dive in.
And we're gonna see what Ipsy sent me.
So we've got this Feel the Love right here. And it says, that warm fuzzy feeling you get from being in love, feel it every day in the littlest of things. From pampering your skin with a multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee, every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you. I do. I love me. I do. I have to.
I have no choice.
So this is Love at First Click. Save the date. What is this, you guys? This is not even the card that says what's in the box. So I read all that for nothing. What is this? What is this? There's no card.
There's no card.
This is not the card that says any products on it whatsoever. I have absolutely no way to tell you how much anything costs in this box. There's no card. I don't even know what to say. I can't give you prices. What's going on with Ipsy? What's going on? I don't know. So forgive me if you get Ipsy's subscription. Can you tell me what your prices were for your stuff? Because
I can't tell you a damn thing today.
it's not gonna be a total fail. It's not. It's too early in the morning to think it's gonna be a fail. Okay, we've got to get through it. So I'm just gonna still show you what's in the box. We're gonna go through it anyway, okay? You just don't know how much anything costs, okay? All right. First thing I see is this thing right here. This is pretty big. It's like an envelope. So that's cute. The brand says LaRousse. I've never heard of them. I don't know if you have or not. It's got nice, gold lettering. All right, let's see what it is. Ooh, there's some brushes in here. Look at this, you guys. Hey. So I already forgot that there's no card in here. I got some brushes. Brushes are always good. These look really nice. Oh, you know what I love? I'm gonna tell you already what I love. They say on there what it is. Look at that. It says foundation. It feels like I don't know what it feels like. It feels like not rubbery. I don't know, but it's textured. It has a nice, I can't describe it, but this feels very soft. You got a shader brush in here. I believe this is for concealer. It says Kabuki right there. There's a blush brush, contour brush, angle contour brush right there. My hat's off to them. I don't know this brand. I'm about to try these brushes out. I'll let you guys know if they actually work. Next in the box, we've got this Dominique Cosmetics right there. This has a nice texture to it. It looks like a sweater. That's different. I don't have anything by Dominique Cosmetics, so we're gonna take a look at this guy. There it is right there. Got a mirror. Kind of looks a little dirty. They're really light. The shades are really light. It says like sweater weather, fuzzy. It's kind of like, I guess, that warm fuzzy kind of feeling, but they look very light. Let's try to swatch. It's a little light for me. Oh, that's a nice shade.
I can get with that shade.
Like a periwinkle kind of color. There we go. There's all the shades right there. It's not a bad palette. It's not. Is it something I rush out to go buy? No, I probably wouldn't. It looks like colors I could use, like, you know, along with other colors. Ipsy is really loving masks. So I can't tell you how much it is. I don't even know. But you got 3 masks here. Sweet Chef right here. It's got KO Vitamin B, Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask, a Beet Vitamin A. This last one is a Ginger Vitamin C. So I've never heard of this brand, Sweet Chef. Gonna have to try it out.
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me? Ipsy.
Why?
Another eyeliner.
Why?
That's 4 eyeliners in a row that I've received. This is the one thing that I said.
I didn't want another one.
This is by the Il Maquillage brand. Here we go, right here. Let's check it out.
I didn't want you, but I got you.
So there's a tip right there. It's a pretty long tip, to be honest with you. See that? It's a lot longer than normal ones. Well, let's just try it out right now. Oh, doesn't drag across the face. That's always good. It made a smooth line. I mean, it's just, man, what is it with the eyeliners? So many.
So many eyeliners.
I literally just said in the last one, literally just said, chill out with the eyeliners, Ipsy. Like, give it a rest. And here we go with another one. Who knows what they're thinking? I don't know. Maybe they invested in a multitude of eyeliners and they need to get rid of them. It's possible. But that was Il Maquillage. I'm not gonna complain. It's not bad. It drew on a right line. Another eyeliner.
Woohoo!
Next in the box, Wonder Nude Illusion, it says. Liquid foundation. I don't know how I'm getting this. I never filled out any skincare ticket or anything for them to know my shade or my color. Open this up and see what we get. Okay, that's different. That has a, well, it doesn't want to come out. Goodness, that is a big doe foot applicator. I've never seen a liquid foundation like this before. Well, let's just go ahead and try it on the face. Might as well. I mean, is it my perfect shade?
No.
It's all right. This is really weird, you guys. This is a really weird way to open up a foundation. How sanitary is that to be putting this in there, putting it on your face? And
I don't know.
maybe I should just take it out and put it on my hand and get my little blender or something. I don't know, but I'll have to figure that out. I've never had a foundation like this. I'm just using my fingers, you guys, because, you know, like I said, it's like 3 in the morning and no reason for me to dirty a brush on this. I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, I might be going a little crazy, but that's about it. I mean, is it my color? No, but I mean, it'll work. It's a bit yellowy undertone. Okay, it's all fully applied. And you know, when you look at it in my big mirror, it doesn't look bad. This is just in the shade medium. So I guess it's a very minimal shade range by what I see right here. It just says medium. No numbers to it, nothing special, just medium. If you guys ever get anything like this, let me know what they send you, you know, and if there's a price on it, that'd be great. Let me know that. This guy I can't even read what any of that says. I'm not bionic woman. I can't see that. I guess it's supposed to be an illusion, a nude illusion. There's an illusion of it being a nude color, or I don't know. That's literally the name of it, Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. Yeah, because I do have to do like a wear test on it. It's always nice to try out different foundations. You know, sometimes you find hidden gems. I find multiple hidden gems in my Ipsy boxes. So that's always a plus. It feels nice. It doesn't feel tacky. It doesn't feel greasy. It feels lightweight. So far, it's all right. Last but not least, we've got our cute bag right here with a nice inside right there. And like I mentioned before, these are pretty neat little bags. I mean, out of everything, even if you don't always like what the products are, you have a cute little makeup bag. You can store all the products you don't like and just keep them hidden away, you know? But this is really cute. This is actually a really nice color. It fits Valentine's. Am I happy with the whole box? I mean, that's the question. Those brushes, those made the box. I mean, I'm glad they put those in there, because if those weren't in there, I don't know how the rest of this night would go for me. You know, I might go to bed with a huge headache. There's no card in there. I can't read to you anything. I can't tell you any prices, which is so odd. I guess they forgot about me. I mean, Ipsy, did you forget about me? Do I not deserve to know what's in the box? Don't you know I do reviews on this?
No, they probably don't know.
They don't know me. But anyway, at least the brushes were good. They felt really soft. They had a real nice handle, real nice grip on it. So that was good. That was a hit. The bag is cute. That's good. I could always use bags for everything. These right here, I mean, I'm a little over the sheet masks, you know? I mean, they've been sticking them in multiple boxes. So, I mean, it's okay. It's skincare. They'll get used. It's just...
Really? More masks, you know?
I'm not even gonna tell you how I feel about this guy right here. Is it a nice black color? Yeah, it's I can't tell you how it wears yet, because I gotta see how it goes throughout the day. Make sure it doesn't smudge, make sure it doesn't move, make sure it doesn't transfer. Those are the things I look for in my eyeliners and mascaras. And it did go on without tugging and pulling, so that's a plus so far. Did I really need another eyeliner?
No, I didn't. But it's okay, because it's in the box.
This guy right here, it doesn't look bad. You know, it looks like something I could add. It's not too far off of my shade tone. It is a bit yellowy. That's all I can say about it. But right now, it did a good job covering. I mean, I kind of got this one little blemish. I just developed it out of nowhere earlier today at work. You know, maybe because work was a little stressful today. That could be why. I don't know. But that guy popped out of nowhere. It doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel heavy. It's just there. Like this box. It's just there. And this right here, Dominique Cosmetics. I'm glad I got something from her. You know, I know she does have quite a few different palettes out. I think they're more maybe colorful. This is a very muted down color, but they're not bad colors, you know. As you can see, I can use quite a few of those colors for transition shades and you know, blending in shades. So it's not a total failure. It's not a total you know, but it's
like right here. It's not really up here. It's not too much down here. It's like right here. Yeah.
Just right there. That's all I can say. I'm sorry I couldn't tell you guys any prices of anything. It's very strange, you know, all joking aside, that is strange that there's no card in there. And this card that is in here, it does mean nothing. I still have to figure it out. It's just talking about having a chance to win a glam bag, I guess, and love yourself. I already know that, you know. But thanks for telling me to love myself, Ipsy. That was my box, you guys. If you guys get Ipsy, let me know what came in your boxes. I'm always interested to know. I did put up a lot of videos this week, you guys. I just knocked it out. So here's the thing with the box. It kind of makes me feel like, you know, I lean towards wanting to cancel it, you know, only for the fact that they are putting in repetitive items. The sheet masks, the eyeliners, it's like, it seems very repetitive. And I know, you know, we're only paying $20, $25 for the box, and you're getting all these items. I am really happy with these brushes. These brushes look really good. I'll let you know how they work. I've already got other brushes from Ipsy as well. And I do use a few of those, and they're as well really nice face brushes.
If I get one more eyeliner,
I'm going to stab the box with it, okay? I don't want any more eyeliners from them. I just don't. If I want another eyeliner, I want to go find one that I purposely want to go buy. I just don't want any more eyeliners. There's no other way I can say it. No quiero. No quiero.
no.
I don't mean to sound picky. I don't. This is my money, okay? This is mine. I gotta watch what I'm spending it on. I could be spending that $20 on something that I really want. I don't know. We'll see what happens. See what happens next month. We're gonna check you out, Ipsy. Give you another shot. See what you got for me. Maybe I'm just getting some
boxes.
I don't know. Fill me in, okay, you guys? So happy Valentine's Day. I hope everyone has a great one. And I will check you guys out in a couple days. Got another video already ready to go. It's coming at you. And why do I always forget to say subscribe? Did you guys subscribe yet? Did you already? I mean, you watched it. Was it okay? Did I pass the test? I mean, be honest. Did I pass the test? Go ahead, hit subscribe. And click let that little bell ring. This way you know when I've got another Ipsy box, BoxyCharm, creative eye look. You just don't know what I'm gonna come out with. You don't know. So hit the little bell. This way you'll find out. Okay, guys? Love y'all. See you next time. Bye. Yeah, that sounds kind of cute. I say cozy because it's 3 in the morning. Yes, 3 in the morning. And getting more sheet masks and more eyeliners.
If I get one more eyeliner, you guys.
Why do I film at these times? I don't know. Don't ask me, okay? Today, tonight, the morning.
Whatever it is, it's Valentine's Day, people.
We've got to suck it up and get through this. And we're going to have an Ipsy kind of day, all right?